Okay, I gotta do some calculations, but I feel like this is the wrong hype box. I feel like that item should be in a $1,000 hype box, not in a $750 box. So yeah, I'm not too sure. Anyway, we'll get to it. We'll get to it. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Warrior here, coming at you once again with your new favorite series, this hype box series. This hype box comes to us from Solsteals.com. Solsteals.com is really dope, guys. Basically, it's a membership website where you pay $20 a month in order to get boxes like these. Sometimes they're a lot bigger. This one's actually kind of small, to be honest. But yeah, hype boxes like this, which have a whole bunch of mystery Hypebeast items. Not only do they sell hype boxes though, their main thing is that they sell a lot of shoes for way under competitive market pricing. So if you guys are looking at prices at like StockX or GOAT or things like that, Solsteals is a lot lower than those prices. So it's a really good place if you guys want to try to get shoes for cheap. Highly recommend you guys check them out. Link in the description below. This video is not sponsored by them. I just really love Solsteals and I want to share that with you guys. Hype boxes usually have items that are going for under competitive market pricing, so that means you can sell it and make some money back. So let's see how much money we can make back off of this box. 750 bucks. Let's open it up, see how it goes. Definitely no shoes in here. So I'm gonna put this on the ground for you guys. And the first thing that we got for you guys today is the Supreme waist bag from this season. So I've never seen the waist bag in person yet. We got that shoulder bag in a different video, but this one is the waist bag, otherwise known as the Fanny Pack. Has a Supreme logo right here, and then you can also see Supreme again on the bottom part of it. So pretty nice piece. I'm sure these will go for a lot of money down the line, and I think that's an important thing to note for you guys. If you guys are trying to make a quick buck, then yeah, you can sell it on StockX now. But if you hold items like these for, I don't know, maybe till the end of the season, which seems like kind of a long time, but by the end of the season, trust me, these things are going to be going for almost double the price. It happens every single season for Supreme. So if you can hold on to accessories like this, it's well worth it in my opinion. Okay, next thing we got out of the box looks like a Supreme t-shirt. This one is the Molotov tee though. So this came out this past season, I believe. You can see over here, big print Molotov cocktail, Supreme branded shirt. And that's pretty much it for the shirt, man. If you guys want to see it fully opened up, I'll put it on the screen over here. Yeah, I was never really big into the Supreme Molotov tee, so probably not keeping this one. It is a size large though, so if you guys are interested, it will be on the web store. Link in the description below. 2 items left, and I see that last item, man, and I feel like, okay, I gotta do some calculations, but I feel like this is the wrong hype box. I feel like that item should be in a $1,000 hype box, not in a $750 box, so yeah, I'm not too sure. Anyway, we'll get to it. We'll get to it. This next shirt over here is the Supreme Life Sucks shirts, I guess. And then it has like this little, what is that, a beaver? Is that a beaver with grills? And yeah, so I guess it's Gangsta Supreme. That's interesting. Probably not keeping this one. It is a kind of interesting shirt though. Not bad, not bad. And so that last item that I was hyping up, and for good reason, let me show you a hint of what it is. Can you guys guess what this is just from that? That American flag? Dude, this shouldn't be in this hype box, I feel like, man. It shouldn't be in here. Because this is a Supreme North Face Vortex jacket. So as you can see over here, another American flag, Vortex on the side. North Face over here. It's got that patch. And yeah, this is the thing that matters though, Supreme North Face logo right there. So we actually got that in a hype box before, and I think it was a $1,000 hype box, which is why I'm saying that I'm not really sure why this isn't a $750 box. I think the prices have been going down for that one specifically. No idea why. I mean, North Face Supreme is one of the best collabs they have every single year, and usually they go up in value over time, but as we saw from those like metallic North Faces that they had last season, the prices on those are pretty much retail. So hopefully, I mean, it does raise, but at the same time, it's still a lot of money. Like, if I looked it up on StockX right now, which I don't normally check on camera, but I am very curious. Yeah, that one is going for like 800 something bucks, man. I don't know, I feel like we got the wrong hype box because the value on here must be crazy insane. So yeah, I gotta check on that, but maybe the price did drop a lot where I don't really realize it, but from what we're looking at, it looks like we got a good come up on this box. So as you guys can see on the numbers over there, it was a good box, and I mean, it's not like this every single time, but yeah, this one looks like it was crazy in value. So that's why it's a mystery every single time. You don't know what you're gonna get, but you know that there's gonna be a value there. It just depends on how much, and if you sell or if you hold, that will also affect the pricing, man. So I think it was a great box, a lot of cool stuff in here, and yeah, that transatlantic is pretty dope. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the Solsteals hype box in this video, guys. I don't know what you guys think about this box though. I mean, Other than the North Face, it was kind of bland in terms of shirts and stuff, but some people really love those Supreme tees. I just don't really like these designs personally, but yeah, this bag, not so bad. And obviously the pullover is dope. So let me know what you guys think about the box in the comments below. Always happy to hear you guys' comments. If you guys have not already, be sure to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. If you guys like this video, hit that like button too. Doesn't hurt. But anyway, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoots!